Questions 9 and 10, we are doing them together because question 10 is a supporting evidence type of question where we will use the lines in A, B, C, and D to solve question 9. Let's see what the question is. Based on information in the passage, it can reasonably be inferred that after the Civil War in the United States of America, slaves, so the keywords is after the Civil War, well, most important keyword is slaves, and the slaves were, well, we need to find out. Is line 17 to 21 going to give me the answer? 17 to 21 says, it's my firm conviction that the civilized world is tending towards republicanism or government by the people through their chosen representatives, and that our own great republic is destined to be the guiding star to all others. It's only talking about the form of government. It's not talking about or anything about the slaves, and therefore it's easy to eliminate A from 10. When I read lines 22 to 24, the effects of the late civil strife have been to free the slave and make him a citizen, yet it is not possessed, he is not possessed of the civil rights which citizenship should carry with it. Now, it is talking about the slaves. So let's see whether any of these seem to be matching. That slaves were emancipated but did not have civil rights. It's exactly matching, right? So I will keep A here, which is going with B there. So, and then quickly make sure that the others are not the answer. If you're running out of time, you've got a supporting evidence, you could do you just choose this and go on. But ideally, it's always good to double check. C from question 10 is this. Social equality is not a subject to be legislated upon, nor shall I ask that anything be done to advance the social status of the colored man. So that's 27 to 33, we have to read till there. Except to give him a fair chance to develop that there is good in him, give him access to the schools, and when he travels, let him feel assured that his conduct will regulate the treatment and the fare he will receive. Now this is talking about equality of the colored man. Any of these, do they match? They were emancipated, did not have civil rights, were killed or sent back, no, had the right to vote. Was that their legislated social equality status? No, nothing about right to vote, so that's out. Had no right to an education but could exercise their franchises, again, the right to vote. That's not been spoken about here. So we can eliminate C. D, 34 to 37. The states lately at war with the general government are now happily rehabilitated, and no executive control is exercised in any one of them. That would not be exercised in any other state. So that's again talking about the states, not about the slaves. And so that's easy to eliminate. A would be the answer. You can eliminate B, C, and D from question 9 and choose A from 9 and B from